Alrighty guys, got a little different video today. Today I'm going to be opening a brand new 2018 Panini Prizm football cards box. There's 24 cards per box, and obviously I'll be looking for either the Saquon Barkley card, Baker Mayfield card, something fun. Hopefully on this unboxing we will score something big time that I can send over to the PSA and get authenticated and have a nice little collector item. Obviously we're deep into 2019, so this is kind of old, but I used to collect a lot of football and baseball cards, and I saw this today while cruising the store and thought it would be a fun thing to do. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we score here. Put that away. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this thing up. Hopefully we score some cool football cards. Again, this is a 2008 Panini Prizm set. I believe there's 6 packs and 4 cards per pack. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. Alright, so you can see all brand new, still in the original wrappers. Go ahead and, I guess I'll leave that to the side. So we've got the first pack here. Alright, let's see what we got here. We got Cam Chancellor. Oh, that's cool. It's got like a piece of fabric. Premier jerseys. That's cool. Marquez Valdez-Scantling. Mike White. Marquette King. And then your regular old card from Panini. Alright, that's number 1. Kind of cool with that jersey material card. Pack number 2. So we get in this one. There we go. Alright, next up, Jared Goff. Those of you are Rams fans, that's a fun one. And let's see here. Marshawn Lynch. He's going to be a popular one. And then we have Jay Ajayi with the laser prism card here. That's very nice. Pretty cool. And then Devontae Adams of the Packers. Also a great player there. Alright, no Baker Mayfield yet, but we did get a Jay Ajayi laser card. That's fun. Let's see what else we got here. So third pack. Open it from this side. Maybe. I want to ruin the cards. There we go. It's starting to peel. Alright. So third pack up. Third pack. Alright, who do we got? Josh McCown. Alright, check it out. Alvin Kamara. Very nice card with the Saints. That is a illumination card. Very, very cool. That is definitely one to keep. Mason Rudolph of the Steelers. Jacoby Brissett, the Colts. Alright, I'm a fan of that Kamara card. That's a sweet card. Fourth pack. Oh boy. All right. So we've got Alejandro Villanueva, retired veteran, awesome football player, very cool. Have to note that. Brandon Cooks, and then we've got a Luke Kuechly, Carolina Panthers laser card. Very cool. And then Andy Dalton For those of you who don't know, I am a Bengals fan. I am not necessarily an Andy Dalton fan, but nonetheless, it's always cool to have a Bengal card. I do miss Carson Palmer. He played really well for the Cardinals at the end of his career. I'm glad to see that they put him on the wall. Cardinal Stadium there. All right. Jordan Reed. Cool card. Another Alvin Kamara. That's cool to have two of them. We got John Kelly. Cool card there. And then Alex Collins of the Ravens. All right. Last pack, guys. Let's hope for the best. This could be the one with the Baker Mayfield or the Saquon Barkley laser prism card. That would be really cool. If not, no worries. We got some cool cards. Have to open up another box at some point if I can find another 2018. I sure would like to have that Baker Mayfield card without buying it on eBay for tons of money. I'd like to find it. I think it's more fun. All right, Kirk Cousins. Very cool card. No longer with the Ravens, of course. We've got Antonio Brown. Awesome card, awesome player. Also no longer with the Steelers there. And we've got Derek Natty for the last laser card for the Kansas City Chiefs. Good player, very cool. Not my Baker Mayfield, but that's okay. And then last but not least, one of the greatest running backs in the NFL right now, Christian McCaffrey. Very cool. So just wanted to do a quick video and do some unboxing. Normally I do Hot Wheels or car-related videos, how-to videos, stuff of that nature. I thought this would be a fun little way to mix it up. See if I could get that Baker Mayfield card. Unfortunately did not, but that's okay. I will say this, it has been a little while since I started collecting football cards again, but with a new year and a new exciting Browns team and a new exciting NFL football, I saw these on sale and couldn't pass it up. Decided it'd be kind of fun. I will say that I've never seen one of these cards. If you look close, it's got some fabric there and it's real thick. Part of the jersey, I suppose. That's quite cool. I just wanted to do a quick video, switch it up a little bit, have some fun. If any of you are in particularly really interested in owning any of these cards, they're brand new, I will put it in a nice protector and ship it out properly. Let me know in the comments below. If you want me to do more videos like this, definitely comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed, and you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care.